My name is Kyle Como. I'm the operations manager for Deepwell Equipment Rentals here in Pecos, Texas. Our main service is living quarters, trailers, skid houses for on-site living, for drilling rigs, frac sites, man camps. Before, we had typical 100-gallon tanks in the back of all of our service techs. And on days of fuel run, it might take 3-4 service techs a whole day, to deliver the fuel, which would leave us short-handed and a lot of trips going back and forth to the fuel pumps. We was about to start hiring 3 to 4 more people, which includes 3 to 4 more vehicles. And on days where we didn't have the fuel route, that's 3 or 4 more people that might have been at the yard not generating revenue. With these trailers, we can take approximately 700 gallons to the site. We can deliver the load in one trip, and it only takes one man with one truck. He does not have a CDL, does not have a hazmat. He is in a 3/4 ton pickup, and that's all we need. It expanded our business. We now have fuel routes that we have to accomplish every day with approximately 2,500 to 3,000 gallons per day of fuel delivery. That wouldn't be possible without this trailer. This one trailer saves me from having to get 4 or 5 more employees, 4 or 5 more vehicles, 4 or 5 fuel tanks, fuel pumps. It saves on transportation, saves on insurance, saves on manpower. We have 2 new trailers on order. In 2 months, those 2 trailers will be paid for. Bottom line, that's in the last year, the fuel trailer was the most significant purchase that we made.